Weather Service has issued. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tolland County in northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near northwest Irwinton, or 7 miles northwest of Bristol, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations include Hartford, Newton, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Berlin, and Rocky Hill.